Hey guys, here are 3 poses that are wonderful to do first thing in the morning. You can do them separately or you can do them together as a sequence. They are wonderful to give you that boost of energy and a great full body stretch so you can get started with your day. First one is kind of like 2 poses in one, but it's cat and cow. Very simple, on hands and knees. You inhale, dropping the belly, lifting your gaze, curling tailbone up. And on the exhale, you round your spine and drop your chin to your chest. So doing just a few rounds of this every single morning is a great way to warm up your spine. So working on flexion, which is this here, and extension, a little back bend. Just a really great thing to do after you've been still and sleeping for hopefully 6 to 8 hours. Second pose goes really great after this one, and it's downward dog. Walking your hands further out in front of you, tuck your toes under, and lift your hips up and back. This is a full body activating pose. It will strengthen and tone your entire body, as well as give you an amazing stretch through the backs of your legs and along your spine. And first thing in the morning, we tend to be a little stiff. So you can bend your knees, switching, bending one knee, straightening the other leg, making any little adjustments here, relaxing your head, letting your head dangle, and your neck relax. Third pose is a standing side bend. So you can walk your feet forward and roll all the way up to stand. So side bends are kind of like, I think, the best kept secret when it comes to giving yourself energy boost, really stretching along the sides of your waist. You can have a wider stance in your hips. You can reach up, and I like to hold on either to the forearms or to your wrists and just ease on over to one side. So cat and cow, we worked on the front and the back body. Side bends, of course, work on the side body. This is lateral flexion. So just taking a few here can feel really, really good. And then if you really wanted to kind of amp things up, you can make this a full circular motion. So side bend and then rolling all the way down and coming all the way up and then maybe going in the opposite direction. Doing that a few times in the morning should help get all of the little aches and pains and stiffness out of you so that you can have a really wonderful day ahead. So those are 3 yoga poses that you can do first thing in the morning. If you'd like to practice yoga every single morning, I highly recommend checking out my 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch classes here on YouTube. I have a ton of them. The link is going to be down below in the description box, and I also have a bunch more on my mobile app. You can search for it by looking up Yoga with Kassandra in the App Store. Thanks so much. Please subscribe, and hopefully I'll be practicing again with you soon. Namaste.